Well, we'll have our first opportunity to get some significant snowfall on Saturday, and it may begin very late Friday night. So get prepared for some impacts on your travel this weekend. 13 weather ball for Thursday, though, is green. No change to the sunshine and milder temperatures foreseen. In fact, it may be our warmest December day this year. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Last year we were 48. We made 46 this year. It's well above the average high of 37. And that 46 here in Grand Rapids matched my forecast high. So that's a bullseye here on your Wednesday. We're perfect on Wednesdays. And we've had 3 days in a row within 3 degrees. Now temperatures are going to drop down to below freezing, and there might be some freezing fog in a few places, so watch out for that. It could be slick on the area sidewalks and roads where it has accumulated. But we are also going to see temperatures skyrocket into the upper 40s with a lot of sunshine here during the day tomorrow. Clouds did finally clear on out starting around the noon here in Grand Rapids. There's still a few clouds up around Big Rapids to the north and east, but we're keeping our eyes on the next impact system, which is right here just off the Southern California coast. Depending on exactly where this travels, it will determine what kind of precipitation we see here. We're still thinking it will be mostly in terms of snowfall. The impacts tonight are over northeastern Arizona and northwestern New Mexico with some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings there in the mountains. But the impacts from the travel will begin to push out into Oklahoma and Kansas into Missouri. That'll be rain, but it will change to snow during the day on Saturday. The higher impacts appear to be north of I-94 and especially north of I-96, but it'll all be done by the noon hour on Sunday. In terms of the track of the snow, again, it'll depend on exactly where that track ends up into Ohio or southeast lower Michigan. This is the European model showing where the heaviest track will be, north of Chicago to Milwaukee to Grand Rapids and areas northward. And the GFS model is pretty similar. It may be just a little bit further north. Other than that, we'll just have to prepare for the possible impacts from that. Maybe doing our first shoveling and plowing of the season. You can see the European model is the most aggressive with the snowfall, ending up with about 5 to 6 inches worth of snow. The American model, which is called the GFS, is having a little trouble, only thinking that we're going to get about 1 inch or 2 of snow. We'll see which one wins out. We'll see lots of sunshine throughout the day tomorrow, maybe a bit of freezing fog early on with mid and upper 40s for highs. Southerly winds starting to pick up later in the day. Mid 40s up north. Again, maybe some freezing fog in the morning, but lots of sunshine in the afternoon and plenty of sunshine here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Mid and upper 40s. I wouldn't be surprised to see a 50 across the area. 13 on your side forecast. With that rain mixing with snow Friday night, changing to snow on Saturday, we'll also see a very breezy east wind, and it'll be a heavy wet snow, but snow should be over by the time the sun comes up on Sunday. Just a cloudy day, maybe partly cloudy on Monday, but lots of clouds next week with seasonable temperatures in the mid and upper 30s. Maybe a light dusting or coating of snow the following Tuesday night and Wednesday morning.